Right now here in Australia, we are in the middle of winter. To me, it is so beautiful. There's so much fog. We've had beautiful rain. The ground is finally soaked after a very long, dry, hot summer, and we're just so thankful. It feels amazing to wake up to this crisp, cold air. And we've got big plans despite it being winter. That look good.
Oh yeah.
Hi everyone, today we've got a big day. We are planting out around the oval. So we've been to the nursery, we've picked up, at this stage today we've got 10 silver birch trees, picking up another 5 tomorrow, and we're picking up 10 Cleveland ornamental pears. At the back of our house we have these 2, but it looks like 3, amazing birch trees, and we just love them so much. We love the bark, we love the beautiful white trunks, we love how amazing they look in the middle of winter when they've got no leaves on them. The birds love them. We feed birds and possums on this little feeder. We love the way that the lichen grows on the branches. We love the beautiful texture of the bark. We just love everything about them, and we thought, let's plant more. Let's plant an entire forest of birch trees here in Australia. So I've missed a few weeks here on YouTube. Reason being, I've had a fair bit of, well, I'd probably say like project sort of work to get done for John Deere. We had a big secret project to get done, and just dealing with the weather. It's so boggy and soggy, and also dealing with my own health. I've had chest problems all winter. So it's been a challenge. Anyway, Moroni's home today. He's going to help me with these holes and everything. Let's just try and get as much done as possible. Hello.
Hello.
They look good. You love them?
Yeah.
In this quest to have a beautiful birch forest, we did do a little bit of research, and we went to a nearby little grove of birch trees just to check spacing and to get a feel for how ours should look. For research purposes, this is a grove of birch trees in Beechworth, down at their, I think it's a Chinese garden set up. So there's 15 in this pocket here, and then those 3 over there make 18. And I'm just going to step it out for spacing because I feel like this looks good. 2, 3, so it's about 3.5 for that one. The closest together would probably be 1.5 meters would be the closest spacing. But this actually looks quite nice. It still feels like walking through a forest. And then they've just got some random little groves of them spread out in other areas. And I think that might be the look that we want. So we could do the 15 that we've just purchased this year and do one grove, and then set up another grove next year, space the pricing out. But I've also left it so late in the season it's actually quite hard to get birch trees at this point. We'll come back in spring and see how they all look with their leaves on. but I think they'll look really good. That is really tall. That is so tall. When I was getting it out, I have to be really careful of my back. The pulling action like that is the thing that messes my back up. Which is weird. Because lifting and carrying and everything's fine. It's just like if I'm pulling like that and it's a disc in my back and it just seems to hate it. Anyway, it sucks as well. We have to film from so far away because it's just raining and I haven't done videos for a while because it's been so hard to actually we've been doing stuff, just bits and pieces, but it's so hard to film in the rain. We've got the tent set up and the camera is just going to have to stay under here. Thought we may as well clean up this oak while we're here, take the cage off it because it is fairly big now. We're hoping it should be okay to be left. At least that's something a bit visual. Ramon,
yes?
do you have your textures?
Yes.
Do you want to cut these like low branches off?
Okay.
Because it might be nice. This is right up your alley. Are you so happy?
Oh, yeah.
Are you so happy I suggested that?
Yes.
You love this stuff, don't you?
Oh yeah.
That looks amazing. Look at that.
Yeah.
I love it. How cute. Our tree looks like a real tree now. It's been free. We're going to put a fence on that. But what we're going to do is use the bird net like what we used to have around the veggie and flower field. So it's going to be an absolute eyesore. But we know it keeps the wallabies out. So we're going to do that. I'm going to head into the hardware store now and grab some. So we can get that fenced before tonight. Because we don't actually know what the wallabies are going to do. And I'm suspecting they're going to pull the little branches down and try to nibble on them. This is a real pain to cut. It looks so bad. I can't. This temporary fence looks disgusting and I'm not doing it. So I just wasted $40 on this stupid thing.
You're allowed to say stupid in the video?
Probably. Wow. He's wondering, can I say stupid in my video? Well, I said it. I've just wasted $40 on this stupid net that I cut in half that we now can't use. The wallabies are such pains in the butt. So that was a massive waste of money and time. We can't return
And we
this.
cannot really use it for anything else.
And we can't use it for anything else. Like, I can't think of anything that we can use this thin.
Such is life.
And the drama is, if we don't get these things netted for the night, we could walk out here tomorrow and the wallabies have eaten them. So we're gonna have to figure this out. It's too ugly. I just can't do it.
I'm hoping because there is water, they won't bother to jump over there. Where it's not like
But
it's an impediment.
they go in that dam. They don't care about water.
Oh yeah, there are swamp
That
wallabies.
big wallaby was watching us all day today because it can see us planting things. What do you think it was doing?
And they smell. I think they can smell that the earth has been moved.
Why are they gonna be so cute? If they were foxes, we'd just get rid of them. Anyways, well, we'll have to let you know tomorrow what we did to remedy this situation.
Okay.
Can you see the rainbow? Good morning, it's the next day and I'm heading out to see how these birch trees went. We had a frost, which they won't mind. It's rained, so they're well and truly watered in now. I'm just hoping the wallabies didn't get to them. It's looking pretty good. Oh, excuse me. The water's actually gone down a little bit too. Yeah, they look fine. Thank goodness. I can't see damage anywhere. They are quite low, like the wallabies can probably reach up to about here, so they survived the night. That looks really good though. And so today what my plan is, I've got to do a couple of things this morning, and then sort of around lunchtime I'm going to go to the wholesale nursery. I'm picking up the Cleveland pear trees, and I'll pick up these last 5 birches and we'll get the birch finished today. And I think I better go, I've got some fencing that I pulled down. I'm tossing up if I put that fencing around or do we leave them and risk it. I wish I knew if wallabies ate birch trees, and I'm thinking they do because they eat absolutely everything else. Let's go get these trees. I don't know why, but I always get nervous tying things to a trailer. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to anchor these trees in, but it's not very far to go, and Oh, I can feel the mud. I can feel everything getting stuck in the mud just there. Like on the trailer. It feels heavy, which is a bit weird. But the wheels are fine. Let me check this one. When I straighten up, yeah, there's no flat tyres or anything. I don't know. Anyway, it's not too far to go. I'll just be glad when I get these home. I have a car full of plants. I've got 6 conifers in the back with me. I've got 5 birch trees in the boot, and I've got 10 Cleveland pears on the trailer. And I just want to give a big shout out to Michael, who helped me with that, because my trailer backing skills are terrible, and he guided me like how to back the trailer. Job's done. Just checking the time. 1:30. Let's go out and plant these birch trees. I've got 5 to put in. Then the birch forest is complete. I just need to decide, do I put a fence around it or do we risk it and see if the wallabies eat it? It's really hard to capture on camera how good this looks because they're just looking like sticks right now. They're just completely bare, but it's looking so good. The trees are just so lovely. I think we've got them spaced really well. They're in a nice little spot that stays pretty moist. Should be happy here. Plant a tree and the birds will come. Look at that.